Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Informatics. Hope you're all doing great. In this episode, we'll be learning about the ring system of Saturn and the moons of Saturn. So, let us begin. Now, Saturn's ring system is the most beautiful ring system in the solar system. It has three main features. That is, it is the largest, the brightest, and the most beautiful one. Now, scientists divided this ring system into different sections such as A ring, B ring, C ring, D ring, E ring, F ring, and G ring. Now, there are different gaps in these rings, between these rings, and they are also named such as the Cassini division, NK gap, etc. Now, as I told you in my last video, the ring system of Saturn, they consist of many countless rings, and each of these rings, they contain millions of ice rocks, not dust and rocks, but ice rocks. However, these ice rocks, in times, they get dusty. So what do is that they collide with each other to make bright new faces again. Now, as I told earlier, there are different sections in the ring system of Saturn. In these sections, the B ring is the most brightest of them all. This is because there are much more collisions occurring in the B ring than in the other rings. Now, the rings which are visible to our naked eye is A ring, B ring, C ring, D ring, and F ring. Now, these are the 5 rings which are visible to us. E ring and G ring, they are much more further away from Saturn, and this is because in between of F ring and E ring there are many moons orbiting Saturn, and these are faded. E ring and G ring are much more faded. Now this might be because of one reason, that is there are no collisions. There are only few collisions occurring in these rings. So that's why the icy rocks they get dusty and it's getting faded. Now the total mass of Saturn's ring system, only that ring system is 30 million billion tons. And you see these ice rocks, they vary in size. Some might be house-sized boulders and some might be tiny sized. So they collide with each other to make new bright faces. Now we'll be taking a look at the moon system of Saturn. Now, about the moons of Saturn, it's like similar to the moons of Jupiter. Saturn's largest moon is Titan. Now, Titan is larger than the planets Mercury and Pluto. Now, it's not larger than Ganymede, it's smaller than Ganymede because Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system and it is the only moon with the magnetic field. That's a unique feature of Ganymede, right? Now, the unique feature of Titan, there's also another special feature for Titan, and that feature is that Titan is the only moon with an atmosphere. Yeah, it's the only satellite with an atmosphere. And this atmosphere, it is a nitrogen-rich atmosphere, like the Earth's atmosphere. The large amount of gas is nitrogen, right? Same like that, Titan also has an atmosphere that is nitrogen-rich atmosphere. So that's the largest moon of Saturn, Titan. Then comes Rhea. Rhea is the second largest moon. Then comes Iapetus. Now, Iapetus is a strange moon. It is really far away from Saturn. It's like 3.6 million kilometers away from Saturn. And its orbit is really strange because its orbit is tilted by 6 to 24 degrees. Now, the reason for this is unknown, but some predictions is that the orbit, it is getting pulled by Jupiter's, the neighboring planet's, gravitational force. So that's why its orbit is tilted by 6 to 24 degrees. So that's Iapetus. Now, another strange moon is Enceladus. Enceladus is a very bright moon. It's the 6th largest moon of Saturn. And it's really bright. Its surface is icy surface. And there are many geysers on its surface. These geysers, they burst out ice into space. And Enceladus is located near the E ring. So it bursts ice into the E ring. And it bursts ice. So that's why these geysers, they burst ice. So that's why its name is ice geysers. Enceladus has many ice geysers, and Enceladus might be hospitable to life also, like Europa in Jupiter. So this was just a little information about the ring system of Saturn and its main moons and their special features. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.